Do you dream of pure cocoa falling from the sky? Of gourmet cookies stuffed with homemade chocolate hazelnut? What about fresh cream pouring over a crisp raspberry? Or perhaps you just like eating chocolate. No matter the case, I am proud to present to you the perfect answer to those burning questions with this ultimate chocolate baking course. Hi there, my name is Marceau Dauboin and I am a professional baking instructor based out of Cape Town, South Africa, where I own and run the Yeasty Boys Artisan Home Bakery. With this beginner-friendly course, you and I shall be going through the simple step-by-step process behind making amazing chocolate desserts and how to ace them without any prior baking experience. I am certain that you'll want to be making these recipes time and time again, which is why included in this course is a dedicated original cookbook with written instructions and measurements to accompany you along all of your baking. So if you want to get started and begin learning how to make these incredible desserts by hand, then there is simply no better way than with this chocolate baking course.